Alright guys, so I'm at one of my rental properties, and we haven't seen this unit in a long time. I'm over here getting some video for an upcoming renovation series from start to finish on one of my empty rental properties. But this is a unit which will more than likely be getting all new ductwork and a really deep cleaning. We'll have to rewire the heat strips because that's not a disconnect. That's a junction box. That's a panel off the old unit. They did a really good job on that flashing. I can't complain on it. And they fixed the return line not too long ago. But this is the 3-ton 14-seer Goodman unit from 2016. Reversing valve and the Copeland scroll tucked away in the corner back there. This unit does have a high and low pressure switches. There's the low pressure switch. Oh, there's a high pressure switch. I can't see the defrost thermostat. There's a bunch of standing water in the base fan. Where's that defrost thermostat? Oh, way up here on the corner of the coil. Yeah, I figured we'd just do a video on this unit, and here's a sneak peek on the inside. I tore the carpet out, or my crew did. There's one of the 4x8 or 4x10 registers of ductwork's horrifying in this place. I mean, I don't see how this unit is still working. But if we look down here, there's the return line. There's a really shallow return, as I call it. The return's literally behind this wall in the floor. I would go in there. I got the keys right here in my hand, but I want to let the mold spray that I sprayed in the laundry room do its magic before I go back in there. But anyways, figured I'd just do a quick little video on this unit since we haven't seen it in a while, and there will be a startup shutdown. I don't know when because I got to get the ductwork replaced. I'll be pulling this thing apart, cleaning it. But yeah, today's January 1st, 2020. And yeah, so what do y'all think? I'm going to have a blast fixing this place up. That's what I do. I'll take y'all around front and show you the carpet that I pulled out. But for those who don't know, I own 7 rental properties. This is one of them that, oops, I dropped the keys. This is one of them that's come empty. There is the carpet, and it is really gross. Got some rotten wood on the porch here. That's what happens when tenants try to throw a bed frame over the railing. They end up breaking it. But anyways, this video is about the HVAC unit. I could go on and on and on about the joys of owning rental properties, but that's what I do. It's a really windy day. But anyways, stay tuned for more videos, and Happy New Year to everybody. See you in the next one. Bye for now.